Hello everyone, we are here for this FIDE World Rapid and Blitz Chess Championship 2024, round number 11. So last round of these games here, we also have a woman grandmaster, Josephine Heinemann. So she was born on January 7, 1998 at the age of 26. So I think woman grandmaster is Josephine from Germany. And also have a beautiful woman grandmaster, Jennifer Yu. Oh
Beautiful
my god. So
girl,
Jennifer Yu. So she
wherever
is
you
a beautiful,
are.
cute, pretty, and also a best grandmaster of chess games. So I thought Jennifer Yu because I like her. I thought I crush her.
I think I
Just joking.
fallen
So Jennifer Yu
for
is
you.
my fan for me. Okay. So she was born on February 1, 2002 at the age of 22. So in this part of this video, we have analyzed here of these chess games after round number 11. So, white plays Josephine, e4, c5 Jennifer Sicilian defense, and Alapin Sicilian defense c3, and also d5. So d5. So the Sicilian defense is knight c6 or maybe knight f3. So knight f3 there. So back there is d5, e takes d5, queen takes d5, d4, knight f6, knight f3, knight c6, bishop e3, c takes d4, capture this pawn e6, knight c3, queen a5, d3, bishop e7, castle, castle, a3, a6, and also b4 threatening queen, and also queen d8, h3, b6, and also knight e4, and also knight d5, knight d5. So for example, in accept, why don't we capture these knights there? Capture these knights, bishop takes e4 or threatening knight, or maybe bishop b7. So there are these best moves of these games there. So back there is knight d5, rook c1, so threatening knight, and also bishop b7, queen e2, h6, rook fd1, so a5, and b3 threatening knight, knight b8, a4. So a4, what happened? So a4, I thought bad move that doesn't want there in computer engine of this moves from a4. So the best moves there is what you call this is knight. What you call this is knight, knight, knight d, knight ed2, or maybe rook b1. So rook b1 there. So back there is a4, knight d7, bishop b1 backwards, rook c8, knight e5, so threatening knight, rook takes c1, rook takes c1, bad move by Josephine. The best moves is bishop takes c1. So bishop takes c1 there. So back there is what do you call it? So back there is rook takes c1. So f5, brand x from you. So brand x. Our branded best moves is f6 only. So f6. So back there is f5, knight c3, another bad move by Josephine. So the best moves is knight takes knight takes d7, queen takes d7, and also have a knight, so knight c3. knight c3 there. So if the capture this knight takes c3 or maybe rook, so rook takes c3 there in this one. So this is a best moves there. So back there is so knight c3, knight takes e5, good move by Jennifer Yu. Wow, what a nice Jennifer. So capture the knight, knight takes e3, queen takes e3, bishop c5, queen e1. What happened? Bad move by Josephine. What happened? This queen e1. Why she's moves? So the best moves is queen g3. So queen g3 only. So back there is one is so queen e1, queen g5, also have queen f1, also defense there, and also bishop takes g2. What happened? So bishop takes g2, and also h4, so threatening queen. So puzzle. So what is the first or brilliant move by Jennifer Yu? So we continue for that for after for that start. Thank you so much there for this one is bishop takes f2 check. Brilliant move by you. Strongest move. Very, very strong move by Jennifer Yu. And king takes f2. Queen d2 check. Good move by you. And also queen e2. Also have queen to queen. And queen takes c1. So for example, if the queen takes there, so the queen takes e2 there, or maybe knight takes e2. So very very examples for there. So back there is so queen takes c1, king takes g2, queen takes c3, bishop a2, f4, bishop takes e6 check, king h8, bishop d5, and also queen g3 check, king f1, and f3, threatening queen, and also queen f2, and also last move there, queen h3 check, king e1, and also queen f5, king f1, and also queen d3 check, resigned from Josephine Hinman from Germany. So why she resigned? Because, for example, if the queen e2, so queen takes e2 check. So if we move force move on king g1, so f2 check. If there force move from king h1, so maybe so f1 queen, it means checkmate. Wow, what a nice move from woman grandmaster Jennifer Yu. So congratulations from the USA from Jennifer Yu.
Beautiful girl,
Yay. So I hope Jennifer Yu is my fans of her because she was beautiful and pretty. I thought I like her. I thought I crush her. I crush her. Joke, just joking. So thank you so much here from this one. So from this enjoy from this 3D World Rapping Chess Championship. So I'm Mark Lowagi 17. I'm Michael Mark 17. So thank you so much from this one. Have a good day. Keep safe. Keep safe and good night. Bye. Goodbye.